Sometimes the biggest sustainability wins come from the smallest changes. Not sweeping laws, not expensive tech, but subtle shifts in how choices are presented. These are called behavioral nudges, and they're powerful tools for circularity. Let's break it down. What is a nudge? A nudge is a small design feature that guides behavior without removing freedom of choice. It doesn't force or ban. It makes the better choice easier, more visible, or more rewarding. And in circular systems, where behavior matters, nudges can drive real change. Why do nudges work? Because humans are, well, human. We're busy. We avoid complexity. We follow defaults. We copy others. We respond to rewards. Nudges work with our psychology, not against it. Types of behavioral nudges for circularity. 1. Defaults. Make the sustainable option the standard. Reusable containers as default for takeout. Digital receipts instead of printed ones. Auto-enrolled return programs for products. People often stick with the default, so design better ones. 2. Visual cues. Make the right action obvious. Clear recycling icons on packaging. Floor footprints guiding where to return items. Color-coded waste bins with examples. When in doubt, people look for signs. Make yours loud and clear. Framing. Change how choices are presented. You save 2 kilograms of plastic is more powerful than you used less plastic. 90% of users return this item beats, please consider returning. The message matters as much as the math. 4. Social proof. Highlight what others are doing. Most of our customers choose the refill option. Live counters showing products saved or reused. Testimonials from users who've made the switch. We tend to follow the crowd, so build a visible one. 5. Incentives and feedback. Reward circular behavior. Discounts for returning containers. Loyalty points for renting instead of buying. Dashboards showing personal waste reduction over time. Make people feel the impact of their actions. 6. Commitment devices. Let people pledge to act, publicly or privately. Sign a reuse challenge. Subscribe to monthly repair tips. Join a no new clothes movement for 30 days. Even small commitments can lead to sustained change. Real-world examples. IKEA nudges customers to buy secondhand furniture through prominent in-store displays. Olio uses gamification and streaks to encourage food sharing. ThredUp gives sellers a circular impact score when they resell clothing. Too Good To Go uses real-time urgency, only 2 bags left, to reduce food waste. What makes a good nudge? It's timely, shown at the moment of decision. It's simple, easy to understand and act on. It's positive, no shame, just opportunity. It's flexible, respects user choice. Remember, a nudge is not a trick. It's an invitation to act more thoughtfully, to feel part of a bigger change, to help close the loop, one choice at a time. This is behavioral design. This is how we shape sustainable habits, gently, powerfully, for good.